Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown between two titans of gaming processor, the Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads and the AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D. It's Team Intel versus Team AMD, folks. Grab your popcorn and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: money. The Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads comes in at a wallet-whimpering $394. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D is a bit more budget-friendly at $249. So if you're looking to save some cash for that extra-large pizza during your gaming marathon, AMD might just have your back. Now, let's dive into performance. The Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads boasts a whopping 16 cores and 24 threads. It's like having an entire team of over-caffeinated programmers inside your PC. And with a max speed of 5.4 GHz, it's faster than a cheetah on an energy drink. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D offers 8 cores and 16 threads, which is still plenty for most gamers. Plus, it comes with a massive 100 megabytes of cache. That's right, folks, 100 megabytes. It's like AMD decided to stuff an elephant into a Mini Cooper. And with a max boost of 4.1 GHz, it's no slouch either. Reviewers praise the Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads for its blazing fast performance and ability to handle both gaming and content creation with it. However, they note that it tends to run hot, so a good cooling solution is recommended. On the flip side, the AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D is celebrated for its impressive gaming performance, especially in CPU-intensive games, and its ability to run cooler, making it a great choice for gamers on a budget. Compatibility time. The Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads plays nice with Intel 600 series, with a possible BIOS update, and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. So if you're an Intel loyalist, you might need to do a little tinkering. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D is all about that proven AMD Socket AM4 platform. It's like showing up to a party and knowing everyone there. No awkward introductions, just pure, proven upgradability. Reviewers appreciate the Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads for its cutting-edge technology, but note that it may require some additional setup. The AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D, on the other hand, is praised for its seamless compatibility with existing AM4 motherboards and easy upgrade path. Graphics and memory, anyone? The Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads requires discrete graphics, so no integrated graphics here. But it does support Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, PCIe 5.0 and 4.0, and Intel Optane memory. It's like a Swiss Army knife of performance features. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D supports memory overclocking and DDR4. It's like AMD is saying, go ahead, push me to the limit. I dare you, but remember, no cooler is included, and a liquid cooler is recommended. So keep it cool, folks. Reviewers love the Intel Core i7 to 13,700 kilofarads for its robust feature set and high-performance capabilities. However, They mention the need for a good cooling solution due to its high power consumption. The AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D is praised for its excellent gaming performance and efficient operation, but users note the need for a quality cooler to keep temperatures in check. Overall, reviewers find the Intel Core i7-13700 kFarads to be a high-performance powerhouse that excels in both gaming and content creation, though it tends to run hot and requires a good cooling solution. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 75700X3D is praised for its impressive gaming performance, efficient operation, and budget-friendly price, making it a great choice for gamers looking to upgrade their systems without breaking the bank. So, there you have it. Two incredible gaming processors, each with its own unique strengths. The Intel Core i7-13700 kFarads is like a sports car on steroids, while the AMD Ryzen 75700X 3D is a budget-friendly powerhouse with a massive cache. Which one will you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let the debate begin. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and ring that bell for more epic tech showdowns. Until next time, keep gaming and stay smart. Product links are in the description.